is the practice or varying of motor using a frequency inverter. We have the parameters to configure in order to change the motor frequency. Here it's a loose that parameter number 10 that is used to start the quick commission process. It must be set to 0 to indicate ready to run. Next, we go to P100, which defines the frequency reading mode. We use HP, which corresponds to option 1. Then we move to parameter 304, which represents the motor nominal voltage, set to 220 volts. The next parameter is 305, indicates the motor's nominal current, which in this case is 2.5 amperes. In P307, we configure the motor's nominal power, which is 1 HP. The parameter P310 specifies the nominal frequency of the motor, set at 16 Hz. Following that, P311 indicates the motor operation speed, which is 1715 RPM. Then we press to P700, which defines the command short selection, determine where the motor start-stop control will come from. We set this to option 1. Now to moving on to P1000, this parameter select the frequency set point short, allowing us to choose whether we control the speed using the arrow button or an external electric controller. Since we will modify this using the arrow buttons, we configure it as option 1. Now P1018 defines the motor minimum frequency, which in this case is 0 Hz. The parameter 1082 sets the maximum frequency, which is 16 Hz. Then P1120 determines the acceleration time, which is the time it takes for the motor to go from the minimum or the maximum speed, 5 seconds in this case. The parameter 1121 specifies the deceleration time, which is the time required for the motor to go from 1715 RPM to 0 RPM, also 5 seconds. Finally, P3900 indicates that when the motor cycle ends, it will not recalculate and setting or reset to factory defaults, allowing us to continue using the same configuration. At this point, our set is complete and we can start the motor. It begins operating at minimum frequency of 6 Hz. Now, using this button, we can increase the frequency. Remembering that the maximum is 16 Hz. When stopping the motor, the deceleration time is set to 5 seconds, meaning it will take 5 seconds to slow down from 1715 RPM to 0 RPM. That's it.